Hello there. I'd like to show you a very pretty pair of stockings. These are thigh highs and they're available on Amazon. They're very nice. They have a wonderful look to them. And when you open them up at the top, you've got a lot of room in there so it can accommodate different sizes. It has the silicone bands that help keep the stockings up, and the design is really nice. I'll slide it on my hand so you can see. There is a bow and then a crisscross look, which is very appealing. And the rest of the stocking is an opaque, so that there's quite a bit of contrast there, and they're still actually going to keep you somewhat warm if you're going to be wearing them in the winter. They're well made, very pretty and unique, and I hope that this shows them in a way that's going to help you to decide whether or not these very nice stockings are for you. Thank you.